This is Mark Happ, the Senior Product Manager at AVer. We're coming to you from InfoComm 2026. At this show, we are partnering with MAGO. MAGO is a unique solution for the unified communication space. They allow one-touch meeting join solutions for multiple UC platforms, over 20. For example, you can join Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, WebEx from a single common UI interface. What we're running on here is our CP10 G2 and our VB370A. So it runs on our Android-based platforms. We'll also run on Windows compute systems so that if you have an existing product, you can convert that. That means it's also compatible with all of our AVer products, which are Teams and Zoom certified. So this simplifies one-touch join solutions for enterprises and customers who need to jump back and forth often between these multiple clients. So it's a great solution for that. They also make screen sharing very simple. So that's between meetings, that's in meetings. So you can make the best use of your meeting space. Check it out. We're at averusa.com or check it out at mago.io. More to come on that. Thank you.